Hey folks, you are invited to a log raising event on July 18th. That's a Saturday here at Honest Abe Log Homes in Moss, Tennessee. I'm Josh Beasley, president of Honest Abe Log Homes, and we are celebrating National Log Cabin Month by building a little log cabin here indoors. We'll have people from all over the country join us about 9 a.m. Central Time in our events building, where we will build a small log cabin. We'll go through all the processes, talk about our products, the people behind the company, the processes that we go through to help you go from a dream to owning your very own log home, log cabin. So we would love to have you join us. Just go to our website, give us a call, and sign up. We do ask that you RSVP. The event will be held indoors, climate controlled, so you're going to be comfortable. However, you will have an opportunity to go up and to our manufacturing plant after we're done with the presentation. So it'll be a good, fun day. We're even going to feed you a free lunch because out here in Moss, Tennessee, we don't have anywhere to eat anyway. So we're going to feed you. You're going to get to learn about building a log home, and we would love to have you join us.